Monopoly Go can be quite exciting, especially when you are aiming to conquer the boards. Here are some tips and tricks to help you succeed. Tip number 1. Join the Discord. The Monopoly Go Discord server is a great place to connect with experienced players and learn strategies. You will find valuable insights here. Tip number 2. Claim free gifts. Visit in the game store every 8 hours to grab free gifts. These can include stickers, cash, dice and more. Make it a habit to collect them regularly. Tip number 3. Use dice multiplayers wisely. Save your dice multiplayers for when you are about 6, 7, 8 spaces away from your desired target. These numbers have the highest chance of being rolled. Tip number 4. On free dice rolls. Look for links on social media that provide free dice rolls. Completing in-game tasks, participating in daily missions, and collecting shop gifts also yield more dice rolls. Tip number 5. Strategic gameplay. When playing, focus on gathering cash, buying and upgrading properties, and progressing through the boards. Save money until you can buy and upgrade all 5 properties to avoid unnecessary expenses. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.